Dermalogica Dark Spot Solution Kit is everything you need combined to fade the appearance of dark spots, to even the skin's tone, restore the luminosity and smooth the fine lines and wrinkles. There are 3 introductory size products in this kit, which are all very simple to use. Let's start with the Powerbright Dark Spot Serum. This is a targeted treatment that you can use every day. It uses botanicals to boost luminosity, a range of powerful antioxidants to protect the skin throughout the day, and a light diffusing technology that will begin to fade the darker spots within days. And you can use it every morning after cleansing. Staying in the morning, you would then apply the Powerbright Moisturizer with the SPF of 50. This is a powerhouse daily treatment cream with potent antioxidants that are delivered to the skin. They protect the skin from further oxidative stress throughout the day. The skin will also be hydrated by safflower oil and hyaluronic acid. You will notice the dark spots looking less obvious, and also that the skin's tone is beginning to even out. For the best result, you can use this each and every morning at the end of your routine, and try and apply it around about 30 minutes before you actually head outside so that it can be the best on your skin. Being so light but yet so hydrating, this will become an absolute favorite in your routine. But let's talk about the nighttime. This is where we treat the skin a little bit differently. Powerbright Overnight Cream helps the skin to recover. It nourishes the skin, but it also helps to increase the hydration levels, and it does it all while you're sleeping. Your skin will be deeply treated, and you will notice the differences quite quickly, from smoother texture to looking brighter and more even in the actual tone. And you really will look like your skin has had a rest. But consistency is key, so you need to be sure to use that final treatment product each and every evening. This really is a wonderful treatment pack for anybody that is in need of specific dark spot or pigmentation help. Of course, if you need any more information, please book a free consultation with our team of expert skin therapists to ensure that you get the best skincare advice. And you can do that by visiting skinmart.com.au. Alternatively, pick up your dark spot solution kit on skinmart.com.au or click the link to purchase.